Very good morning, excellent students. Our running topic is surface area and values. Today I am going to explain some problems from the topic. An Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid. What is the shape of the swimming pool? Cuboid. With dimensions 50 meters long and 25 meters wide and deep is nothing but height 3 meters. Throughout, how many liters of water does it hold? Shape of the swimming pool is nothing but cuboid. Long is nothing but length and wide is nothing but breadth and deep is nothing but height. First, dimensions of swimming pool. Length is equal to 50 meters and breadth is equal to 25 meters and height is nothing but 3 meters. Now you have to find volume of the cuboid, means volume of the swimming pool. Volume of swimming pool is nothing but volume of cuboid. What is the formula to find volume of cuboid? LBH, length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 50 and breadth is nothing but 25 into 3. It means 50 into 75 is equal to 3750 meter cube. But according to that, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So it can hold liters of water. So here one question from 10.2 exercise. The volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. What is the volume of the cylinder? 308 centimeter cube. If its height is 8 centimeters, here what is the height? 8 centimeters. Find its data surface area and also total surface area. Solution. Here one cylinder there. What is the value of the cylinder? And height is nothing but h is equal, what is the height here? 8 centimeters. Here I don't know what is the base radius. Here I don't know what is the base radius. It means, for example, let radius is equal to r, then height is equal to how much? 8 centimeters. What is the value mentioned here? Volume of a cylinder is equal to 308 centimeter cube. So value of cylinder is equal to 308 centimeter cube. What is the formula to find volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to 308. So in this, what is the value of pi? Pi is nothing but 22/7 into r. Here in question, radius value not mentioned. You have to find the value of the radius. What is the value of the height? Height is nothing but 8 centimeters. Is equal to 308. So I am transporting this 22/7 and 8 right side of the equation. So r square is equal 308 into 7/22 into 1/8. 7/22 into 1/8. Now cancellation. 11 twos are 22. 11 twos are 22. Remaining 8, 88. 2 ones are, sorry. 11 eights are 88. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 sevens are. So after the calculation, r square is equal 7 into 7 by 4. 7 sevens are 49. 49 by 4. Then r is equal to under root of 49 by 4. So what is the value of the r? R is equal to 7 by 2. So radius of that cylinder is nothing but 7 by 2 centimeters. Here what I need, I have to find lateral surface area and also total surface area. Here one cylinder there. What is the value of the cylinder? 308 centimeter cube. What is the height here? 8 centimeters. So from the data here, radius value not mentioned. You have to find the radius. So by using the value of cylinder formula, what is the radius? 7 by 2 centimeters. Now I know the height value and also I know the radius value. Now you have to find lateral surface area and also total surface area of given cylinder. So here height of this cylinder is equal to 8 centimeters and radius of this cylinder is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Next what I need here? LSA of given cylinder. LSA of given cylinder. What is the formula to find lateral surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r h. The formula to find LSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7. What is the radius value? 7 by 2 and height is nothing but 8. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16 plus 1 17. So what is the LSA of the given cylinder? 176 centimeter square. Next what I need here? I need a total surface area of given cylinder. Two pi r bracket h plus r. What is the total surface area of cylinder? 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7, r means 7 by 2, into h means 8 plus 7 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? 22 into 8 plus 7 by 2 we can write as 3.5. 7 by 2 we can write as 3.5. It is nothing but 11.5. So total surface area of given cylinder is 253 centimeter square. So here one of the important question. A metallic cuboid of dimension 22 centimeters and 15 centimeters and 7.5 centimeters was melted and cast into a cylinder of height 40 centimeters. Now you have to find what is the radius of the cylinder. Solution. Here what is the concept here? One cuboid. So what are the measurements of cuboid? Length and breadth and height. So what is the length here? 22 centimeters and breadth is nothing but 15 centimeters. Height is nothing but 7.5 centimeters. So the measurements of cuboid is nothing but length is so here one metallic cuboid melted and recast into a cylinder. So what are the measurements of cuboid? Length is nothing but 20 centimeters, breadth is nothing but 50 centimeters and height is nothing but 7.5 centimeters. What he did? He melted the cuboid. So after melting he recast into cylinder. So from this cuboid he made a cylinder. So here one cuboid here. What he did? He melted that cuboid and recast it to a cylinder. He melted that cuboid and recast it to a cylinder. So what are the measurements of cylinder? I need radius and also I need height. Here, height of the cylinder given. How much? Height of the cylinder 40 centimeters. But here I don't know what is the radius of the cylinder. Now you have to find the radius of the cylinder. Here, what is the concept here? He took one cuboid and he melted that cuboid and recast into a cylinder. So, what are the dimensions of cylinder? Radius and height. What is the height here? 40 centimeters. I don't know what is the radius of that cylinder. You have to find radius of that cylinder. Here, what is the conversion? Conversion is from cuboid to cylinder. In conversion, value remains same. Here, the shape cuboid to cylinder changed, but in conversion, value remains same. So, as per conversion, volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cylinder. In conversion, volume remains same. So, volume of the cuboid LBH and volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Length is nothing but 22 into. What is the value of the breadth here? 15 into 7.5. We can write as 75 by 10 is equal. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius I don't know. I don't know radius of cylinder. So I am taking as is. What is the height here? 40 centimeters. Into 40. Any kind of 2 5s are 10, 2 11s are 22. Next, 5 1s are 5 3s are 7 1s are 7 2s are. After the calculation, what is the remaining here? 11 into 3 into 75 is equal to 22 into r square into 2. So I am transporting 22 and 2 to left side of the equation. So 11 into 3 into 75 by 2 into 22 is equal to r square. 11 ones are 11 twos are. Still any calculations? No. So what is the remaining here? 3 pies are 15. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 2 22 by 4. R square is equal to 25 by 4. Then R is equal under root of 220 by 225 by 4. What is the square root of 225? 15 by 2. So R is equal to 7.5 centimeters. What is the radius of the resulting cylinder? 7.5 centimeters. So here another question. A closed cylindrical tank of height 1.4 meters. Here one cylindrical tank is there. What is the ideal height of the tank is nothing but 1.4 meters. And radius of the base is 56 centimeters. R is equal to how much? 56 centimeters. See here, radius is in centimeters and height is in meters. You have to convert meters into centimeters or centimeters into meters. For example, height is equal to 1.4 meters. 1.4 into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now multiply. 14 by 10 into 100. 0 0 cancel. It is nothing but 140 centimeters. Now what is the height of the cylinder? 140 centimeters. And the radius is 56 centimeters. And this cylindrical tank is made from a metal sheet. That cylindrical tank is made from the metal sheet. So to made such this cylinder, how much metal sheet is required? To make this type of cylinder, how much of metal sheet is required? You have to find what is the area of the metal sheet. Clear? here one cylindrical can. It is made from a metal sheet. To make this type of cylinder, how much metal sheet is required? So required metal sheet is nothing but total surface area of cylinder. Why I am taking total surfaces? It is a closed cylinder. It is a closed cylinder. So required metal sheet is equal to total surface area of the cylinder. Required metal sheet is equal to total surface area of the given cylinder. Total surface area given cylinder. What is the formula to find total surfaces? 2 by r bracket h plus r. 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7 into what is the radius here? 56 centimeters. What is the height here? 140 plus 56. 7 ones are 7 eights are. Is nothing but 44 into 8 into 140 plus 56. We can write as 200. 200. Required metal sheet is equal 44 into 8 into 200. So after the multiplication it is nothing but 70,400 centimeters square or 70,400 by 100 into 100 meters square. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So after that 7.04 meters square. Required metal sheet is nothing but 7.04 meters square. So guys, required metal sheet is equal to total surface area of cylinder. Here 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r means 56 bracket 140 plus 56. Here 7 ones are 7 eights are. It is 44 into 8 into 140 plus 56 is nothing but 196. Is nothing but 196. Now you have to multiply all these. So after the multiplication it is nothing but 68992 centimeters square. If I convert that centimeters into meters, here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So what is the conversion between the meters and centimeters? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. So it is 68992 by 100 into 100 centimeters square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is nothing but 6.8992 meters square. So what is the required meter sheet? 6.8992 meters square. So 9 questions. Here is the homework problems. Complete homework problems.